we bought in the Ikea mini gingerbread houses. And we bought in the same Ikea at the exit some baking glue for these gingerbread houses. Okay, let's open them. Very beautiful. And they're so small.
Open.
Okay. They're very small, but they're very delicious smelling. Oh wow, they're 6 and they're small and they have something like this. Oh, I just saw that here writes everything. We will have 6 houses. We have 12 that one. 12 that. 6 of that type. And 6 of that type. Oh. I think there is a problem. A mistake. And of that type. Yeah. Okay, let's put them at our plates. And the last thing. Okay, let's build them. Wow,
Instructions.
he has got instruction how to do them. Oh wow.
This and this.
Yeah. We forget to read the instruction for the glue. And there was writing that we need to put it at the hot water. Now the glue needs to be some minutes at the hot water. The glue is now ready. Now I think it's not like that. We do first one. And glue it now. Now put the other type of window. Of windows. Window and door.
Next house.
Another one house. We will do now all houses to the third one. And then we will do at all houses the up. Now we do the last one house. Now we will do the up of our houses. I will do a gift to one of my friends. First house with up. 4 and 5. Now put the up. It looks like the snow wants to get in the house. In the house.
First house ready.
Now the second house.
Second house.
And the last house is meaning, and then we will do the decorations.
And last.
Yeah.
Like the house?
Yeah. We can do the city of these houses.
Yeah, Christmas City.
Yeah. But do it 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and do some decorations. Now do the snow. Do the snow. Do the snow here to get down from the houses. I think it will be beautiful.
The snow up. Yeah?
Yeah. I think you need to put it now in the hot water.
Yeah. First up. And after hot water.
No, you can do the snow, much of snow, much.
3D snow.
It's 3D snow, yeah. 3D.
3D. Hmm?
I thought we will do like that to go down.
Yeah, this slow.
Put it at the water.
Okay.
The glue is not very much, so if you want to decorate it very well, you can buy 2 packages, or you can do the glue alone, like we did at our video with Big Little House. Okay, I think everything is decorated, yeah?
Yeah. Our Christmas
village. It's small, but it's beautiful.